AI is increasingly becoming a driving force in the financial sector, transforming how institutions operate and interact with customers. Here are some key ways AI is shaping the future of finance and running the economy. 1. Algorithmic trading. AI algorithms can analyze market trends and historical data to make trading decisions faster and more accurately than humans. This allows financial institutions to execute trades with unprecedented speed and precision, taking advantage of real-time market data. For example, AI-driven trading systems can respond to market fluctuations in milliseconds, capitalizing on opportunities that human traders might miss. This has led to the rise of high-frequency trading, where large volumes of trades are executed in short timeframes, significantly impacting market dynamics. 2. Fraud detection and risk management. AI can analyze vast amounts of transaction data to detect anomalies and potential fraud. By identifying patterns and predicting risks, AI helps financial institutions enhance their security measures and comply with regulatory requirements. For instance, AI-powered systems can flag suspicious transactions in real time, preventing fraudulent activities and protecting customer accounts. Additionally, AI can assess credit risk by analyzing various data points, enabling lenders to make more informed lending decisions and reduce the risk of defaults. Personalized customer service. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can provide personalized financial advice, answer customer queries, and offer support. This improves customer satisfaction and reduces the burden on human customer service representatives. AI-driven chatbots can handle routine inquiries, such as checking account balances or processing transactions, allowing human agents to focus on more complex and high-value interactions. Moreover, AI can analyze customer data to offer tailored financial products and services, enhancing the overall customer experience. 4. Credit scoring. AI can analyze a variety of data, including social media activity and online behavior, to assess customers' creditworthiness more accurately. This leads to more informed lending decisions and reduces the risk of default. Traditional credit scoring models often rely on limited data points, such as credit history and income. In contrast, AI can incorporate non-traditional data sources, providing a more comprehensive view of a borrower's financial behavior. This approach can help include individuals with limited credit histories and expand access to credit for underserved populations. 5. Financial planning and wealth management. AI can help financial advisors create personalized investment strategies based on individual risk profiles and financial goals. By analyzing market trends and economic indicators, AI provides insights that guide investment decisions. Robo-advisors powered by AI offer automated investment management services, making financial planning more accessible and cost-effective. These platforms can continuously monitor and rebalance portfolios, ensuring that investments align with clients' goals and risk tolerance. 6. Regulatory compliance. AI can automate the monitoring and reporting of compliance requirements, ensuring that financial institutions adhere to regulations and avoid penalties. This reduces the administrative burden and improves accuracy. AI-driven compliance systems can analyze transactions, communications, and other activities to detect potential regulatory breaches and generate reports for regulatory authorities. By automating compliance processes, financial institutions can reduce operational risks and ensure timely adherence to changing regulations. 7. Cost efficiency. By automating repetitive and time-consuming tasks, AI reduces operational costs and increases efficiency. This allows financial institutions to allocate resources more effectively and focus on strategic initiatives. For example, AI-driven automation can streamline back-office operations, such as data entry and reconciliation, reducing the need for manual intervention and minimizing errors. This cost-saving potential enables financial institutions to invest in innovation and enhance their competitive edge. 8. Innovation and competitive advantage. AI fosters innovation by enabling financial institutions to develop new products and services that meet evolving customer needs. This gives them a competitive edge in the market and helps attract and retain customers. For instance, AI can drive the development of personalized banking experiences, such as mobile apps that offer tailored financial insights and recommendations. By leveraging AI, financial institutions can stay ahead of industry trends and deliver innovative solutions that differentiate them from competitors. AI is revolutionizing the financial industry by creating a new era of data-driven decision-making, efficiency, security, and customer experience. As AI continues to evolve, Its impact on finance will only grow, shaping the future of the global economy. While AI brings numerous benefits, it is essential to address ethical considerations, ensure data privacy, and maintain human oversight to harness its potential responsibly. I hope this provides a comprehensive overview of the impact of AI on the financial industry. If you have any specific aspects you'd like to explore further or need additional information, feel free to let me know.